Hi friends, this is Nikant and the solution company actually this is the solution by one of the company. My friend went to that company for the post of MIS and they said that you have to convert these dates like this. You have to convert these dates like this. Okay, as per system date. Okay, how it may be. Okay, it may be slash or it may be hash. I mean that. Okay. So everyone thinking that we can do like this. Will not, will not work. Will not work. Okay. So you have to do the magic on this. See how I do. Alt AG for text column. Okay. Delimiter left of thing is there. Treat consider delimiter as one. Okay. For date and here we change to date month here and we should extract here. Okay. Here it should extract. See so many options are there. Text to columns. So I am selecting DM by. So automatically it will convert it to system dates. As per system date, okay, date, month, year, as per system date it will convert. Alt EG for text to columns. Here another thing is that you have to count total hours. So so what we'll do, here is the date, here is the time, here is the date, here is the time. First of all, Control C and Control V, date always be a number. General format, it will look like time also a number will look like this. Why? Always day starts with 1. Consider total day answer 1. If I divide 8 by 24, 8 by 24, so it will show you this thing. If I divide this much time, 8 by 24, okay, 7 by 24, if you add these three things, you will get you 1. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, consider as a 1 day. If I type 12 is equal to 12 divided by 24, half of the day. Okay, so like that, what we have to do here, I'll explain you guys. Total equal to this plus this minus this plus this. Okay, from log out to log in to get the total working hours. Control to give some error like this. Because here is the thing. Night out. Here is a night out. Okay, it is in night AM PM. So you have for that reason you have to use one function called mod comma 1. Control and totally work for 15 hours. Morning 4 to this is morning 4, okay. Morning 4 to evening 4, 12 hours. Just 3 hours. Yes. AM in the early morning. It's the early morning. Next date. Get right. Check it out, guys. 4 and 5. Started at evening 5 p.m. and ended at night 12:40. Night 12:40. So 6 actually approximately 6 hours. It's exactly right. Here also 7, 8. We started work at 10 a.m. and completed at 11:45 p.m. in the night. p.m. in the night. 10 to is 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, nearly we worked for 13 hours. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll convert into minutes by using this function. 15 hours, 24 minutes, 6 hours, 41 minutes, 13 hours, 44 minutes. Okay. Here is the great thing. It's a very big company, guys. Okay, leave to forget about the fourth one. Stop here at third one. Sorry, guys. First of all, count how many are from Hyderabad. Count how many are from Hyderabad. Equal to search this one, comma, expecting a single text, but I am more than one. So wherever it is, Hyderabad will not form, will show us the error, value error. Wherever it finds, it will show us the number like this. Okay. Filling wrong. R is not there here. We make it. Okay. Is number end. Okay, so it will show you the and falses. 2, 2, 10. Convert this into numbers by using mathematical operator, that is double negative. Sorry. And I need this thing. I copy here on here itself. Here itself, but not including double negative. Some product. Control enter. Totally 2 are there. So wantedly he has used this one. So let's see. Okay. Now what you need left off the whole thing. 4 comma search of, we don't need this what you saying, brackets. Okay. Double quotes, comma, of here, 4 minus 1. So these many characters we need from the left. F9. These many characters. Okay. F9. So to show you some space also here. Spaces are there. Everywhere spaces are there. Okay. So what we'll do here, trim. To eradicate, to remove extra spaces. So to remove extra spaces. Now, here is the magic. Index. We need this part of names. Okay. When if these numbers which I copied earlier just now, then column of F4 minus column of A17 F4 plus 1. Okay, as I said in my previous video, column wise unit $E17 E17. Those parameters, where you will find the names, clients, finds person from Hyderabad. The name one is there. And so, yeah. I have not logged here. Check, I have not logged it. Logged it by using this one. Column. Column should not move. You can move to rows, but not the columns. Same problem. All name ones. All name ones. exactly what I said. Yeah, have to have to be only. If you are getting wrong answer, you need to change from Afghan to Hyderabad. By all means. But in that only we are getting some problem. F9. That's one name, two names, three names, four names, five names, all names. These are only names. That is right. But why we are getting the why we are getting errors here? In the right here, semicolon. Colon means column. Semicolon means rows. Yeah, I need to column here. But you have to type rows here. Row of, so you can type F4 minus row of F4 plus 1 F9. All semicolon and verify whether index and this one should be same. All semicolons here also all semicolon. Semicolon is nothing but row. Colon means column. Now use control system enter. Guys, I will show you the rid of errors. I copy this one. The new method I am showing you. If column will move towards, it passes the count of 3, it's column block. Then give me the blank. Then give me the blank. If it is not passes 3, it should run the formula as is. Control system. Sorry guys. See 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 9. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for the support.